Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video I am going to share with you this beautiful bridal eye makeup tutorial. This is a beautiful like mauve toned pink and champagne halo cut crease eye makeup tutorial with a little bit of glitter in it, and this can be a perfect look for your big day. I have hooded eyes, so I'll be sharing with you so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect cut crease on hooded eyes. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Neeta. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And don't forget to press that bell icon. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Incognito concealer and I'm just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. And then I'm applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows. That is coming up next. I love to use this concealer as my eyeshadow base because it is pigmented and the consistency is not too thick, not too thin, and it just gives me that perfect canvas for my eyeshadows. Now I am taking this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Loose Setting Powder and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. I'm applying this eyeshadow shields which I got from Amazon, and now for my eyes I'm taking Karma from my Revolution Tone New Neutrals eyeshadow palette, and with my Sigma E40 brush I am applying it as my transition color and I'm slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. I freaking love this eyeshadow palette. I recently got it and I recently shared with you an engagement makeup tutorial using this eyeshadow palette. I will have it linked in the description box down below, and I mentioned that this is Makeup Revolution's one of the best eyeshadow palettes I have ever tried. The quality is so good, mattes are pigmented, buttery smooth, and the shimmers are pretty too. Now I am taking Zoned. It is a beautiful mauve toned pink shade. Such a pretty shade and it is very unique. And with this Morphe M514 brush, I am first applying it on my outer V area, then I'm applying it on my inner corner, and then I'll be connecting those two corners through my crease to create that halo effect. As I was telling, the mattes you can see they are pigmented but they are not patchy at all, and ever since I got this eyeshadow palette I have been using it non-stop, and there are so many makeup tutorials coming up using this eyeshadow palette, so please be subscribed and please stay tuned. And now I'm just connecting those two corners through my crease. At the same time I'm blending out the edges so that there is no harshness going on. Now I'm taking Majestic. It is a beautiful purple shade, and with the same brush I am applying it on my outer V area as well as on my inner corner. I'm not going to apply this color on my crease, and I'm just deepening up the inner corner and the outer V area just to give my eyes a little more depth. And see how beautifully the shade is blending. Now it's time to cut the crease, and for that I'm using this lip brush from Puna store, and with the same concealer I am just cutting the crease and I am placing the concealer a little bit higher. You can see my natural crease right across my eyelid, so I am just creating a false crease for myself. If you are a beginner and if you do not want to do a cut crease, then you can definitely skip it and you can just apply the lid shades directly. I have hooded eyes, and cut crease just gives my eyes a little bit of definition, which I absolutely love. And I am just diffusing the border of the concealer so that blending becomes easier later on. Guys, do not skip this step. If you do, then there will be a stark line and it just does not look good. Taking the same Majestic shade, I am just applying it on the border of the concealer to create a nice like gradient effect and to create that shade. Like I call it shading personally, I don't know what it is called, so I'm just creating that shadow effect. Now I am taking Glazed. It's a beautiful champagne gold shade and I am applying it on the middle part of my eyelid with the help of this flat shader brush. And now I am taking this beautiful shimmery purple shade called Hidden and I am applying it on the border of the champagne shade, just so that it blends well with the outer V and inner corner shade. Now I'm taking this beautiful glitter called Golden. Though this is not a golden glitter, it is, I would say, a champagne glitter with a little hint of pink in it, and I am applying it on the middle part of my eyes. And I must say, adding just a little bit of glitter just added so much character to the look, don't you think? So it is such a beautiful glittery shade, and you can see the difference between two eyes. And now taking that majestic shade, I am applying it on the border of the cut crease so that my cut crease looks even prominent. Now with my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner, I'm just drawing a wing using this Morphe M2500 brush. I like to apply my eyeliner with a brush when I'm using a glitter. Now I'm just tightlining my eyes using my Milani eyeliner pencil in this shade After Dark. Now taking that shade Majestic, which was the dark purple shade, I am smoking out my entire lower lash line. Taking the shade Zoned, which was the mauve pink shade, I am applying it on the border of the previous shade just to tie the look together. Now I am taking my Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter and I'm highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using this lip brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm just elongating the eyeliner on the inner corner of my eye and I'm giving it a V shape. This step is a must for me. It just gives my eyes that beautiful elongated sultry look. I am curling my lashes with my eyelash curler and I'm just applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess Volume Express mascara, and this will just prep my eyelashes for falsies. Now I am taking my Gala lashes from Crease and I will be applying the lashes off camera, and here is the final eye look. I truly love how the entire look came together. I really did, and I love the color story. I love the entire look. It is really pretty and it is perfect for all traditional outfits. You can definitely rock this look for your engagement ceremony as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description box down below, so make sure to check them out. So yeah, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.